Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting for all the content creators, travel enthusiasts, and social media storytellers out there, the brand new Panasonic LUMIX S9. Before we jump into all the juicy details, don't forget to check the link below to grab this camera at the best possible deal. Star emoji, Panasonic LUMIX S9 review, full frame power meets pocket size portability. Camera emoji, first impressions. Right out of the box, the LUMIX S9 impresses with its compact and sleek design. This is Panasonic's smallest and lightest full-frame mirrorless camera to date, making it an ideal choice for travelers, vloggers, and content creators who want DSLR-level quality without the bulk. The build feels solid, yet it's incredibly lightweight. You'll barely notice it in your bag or even around your neck during long walks or shoots. Left magnifying glass emoji, key features that stand out. White check mark emoji, full frame sensor power. Despite its size, this little beast packs a 24.2 MP full frame CMOS sensor, delivering beautiful depth of field, rich detail, and impressive low light performance. Whether you're capturing sunsets in Santorini or street scenes at night, you'll get crisp, cinematic quality every time. White check mark emoji, 18 to 40 mm f/4.5 to 6.3 kit lens. The bundled S18 to 40 mm lens offers a versatile range that's perfect for wide-angle travel shots, vlogging, and casual portraits. The lens keeps the kit compact, and it's impressively sharp across the frame, even wide open. White check mark emoji, perfect for reels, shorts, and TikToks. This camera is clearly built for the social media generation. It offers vertical video recording, real-time LUT previews, and direct smartphone integration through the LUMIX Lab app. You can shoot, edit, and post within minutes, all from one streamlined workflow. White check mark emoji, phase detection autofocus, PDAF. The new hybrid phase detect AF system is fast and reliable, especially when tracking faces, eyes, or moving subjects. It's a huge upgrade over previous contrast-only LUMIX models, and makes this a legit vlogging machine. White check mark emoji, compact, stylish and creator-friendly. Available in a variety of chic colorways, the LUMIX S9 isn't just powerful, it looks cool on camera. It's the kind of gear that feels as at home in a studio as it does on a Paris sidewalk. Movie camera emoji, video capabilities. 4K 60p recording with no crop. Real-time LUT support for instant filmic looks. Unlimited recording thanks to active cooling. Ideal for YouTube, Reels, Shorts, TikTok, and even professional work. Satchel emoji, travel and vlogging dream setup. Because of its compact size, USB-C charging, and lightweight lens, this is the kind of camera you can take everywhere, from backpacking trips to daily vlogging setups. No more sacrificing quality for portability. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. If you've been waiting for a small, stylish, and powerful full-frame camera, the Panasonic LUMIX S9 delivers on all fronts. It's perfect for social media creators, travel vloggers, street and lifestyle photographers, anyone upgrading from a smartphone but wanting to stay compact. With its full-frame sensor, modern autofocus, and creator-focus features, it's not just a camera, it's a portable content machine. Link symbol emoji, check the Panasonic LUMIX S9's price and availability on Amazon here.